Take 1 cup of cabbage, 1 cup of capsicum and 1 cup of carrot and mix with little soya sauce. You can see the water comes out of vegetables. You can squeeze all the water and put it in one bowl. Add little salt if you require. Add 1 tablespoon green chili, 1 tablespoon of ginger, 1 tablespoon of garlic. Add half cup of maida and half cup of corn flour. The maida and corn flour should be put in the same quantity and mix very well and try to form a dough. Please don't add any water. We can feel the water is getting removed from the vegetables and is getting binded. So make a small bowl and see whether we can bind and keep. If you feel it's not binding, add little more maida and corn flour. Whenever you add maida, at the same time you need to add the corn flour as well and mix very well. See you can form a laddu or not. Make small balls. Keep in a plate. There's some corn flour in that. Let it be like that. After preparing all the laddus, see what I'm going to do to coat all the laddus with the corn flour. You can even coat with the little rice flour as well, so that the outer portion will be crunchy when it being fried. Now just shake the plate. You can see all the balls being coated with the corn flour. You can add little more corn flour if all the sides of balls is not coated. Now keep the oil for deep frying. The oil should be very hot. Here I put before that and try to fry till the golden brown color. When you're mixing with a spoon or strainer, just see to it the ball should not be broken. You can keep the flame from medium in between of medium to high. So it get cooked first and it will be golden brown. Fry till all the balls being crispy. Try to flip when the one side is done. Flip in between. So all the sides will be of same color and will be cooked in equally. Now it's getting golden brown. We need to fry little more. Now remove the balls from the oil. Keep 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in a kadai. I have fried all the balls. I am not showing here. Now keep the 2-3 tablespoons of oil in a pan and remove the excess oil from that. I am using the same oil which I fried the balls. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of green chili. Everything should be chopped. You should not make a paste. You can chop as much as small. It's good. Stir well. Cook till the raw smell goes. Please don't add salt at this moment. because we are adding the same water which we got from the vegetables, and it have already the salt. I'm adding that water, mix very well. Let it boil for some time. We need to make the slurry of 1 tablespoon of water and 1 tablespoon of corn flour. It's not necessary to keep the quantity of corn flour is very high. You can take a very less amount of, just to give a thickening texture. That's it. It's very optional. If it is not if you are not adding, then also it's okay. Add the slurry at this time as well. I am not adding now. Let it boil for some time. I am adding the balls here. You can add after putting the slurry as well, or when you serve then also. If you put the balls now, it gets soaked with the sauce. You can add 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, and little sprinkles of noodles masala. It's optional. Then just give a mix. See the taste. See to it the flame should be very high from first adding the ginger garlic as well, because Chinese is the dish where we cook the items on very high. Here I added the corn flour as well. Let it cook for some time, like 2 to 3 minutes. You can see it start getting thickening. You can add the chopped spring onions. It's optional, but if you are adding, it can have a good flavor. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. It's getting ready. You can serve with noodles or Szechuan rice.